Hello everybody, in this video you will be learning about balanced diet. What does a balanced diet means? It is the diet that contains different types of foods like cereals, pulses, fruits, vegetables, milk and milk products, poultry, fish, meat, so that the need for calories, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and all the other nutrients is adequately met, and a small provision is also made for extra nutrients to withstand the period of leanness. Why is balanced diet important? Because it meets the nutritional requirements of the individual, it prevents degenerative diseases, it improves longevity, it improves the immune system, it gives you a productive life, it helps in increasing the endurance level, and it helps in coping up with stress. This is food pyramid which is suggested by ICMR. As basis for the balanced diet, ICMR suggested food pyramid which is self-explanatory. There is no space for alcohol and tobacco in the balanced diet. And you have to be physically active and exercise regularly and consume adequate amounts of cereals and grains and pulses. Eat liberally fruits and vegetables. Keep in moderation poultry, chicken, meat, and eat sparingly all the refined products like maida, cookies, biscuits, and all. These are some points to be considered while planning a balanced diet. Okay, balanced diet is something which you have to take daily. It is not like a 1 month plan or a 2 month plan to weight loss or weight gain. You have to make it a lifestyle to include the balanced diet. Energy should be derived from cereals and it should not be more than 60%. 2 to 3 servings of pulses should be taken every day. 1 serving of egg or poultry should be included in the diet to meet the protein requirement. 500 ml milk, that means 2 glasses of milk or curd should be included in the diet. Fish twice a week can be taken. Fruit with every meal can be taken or after a meal, but try to take whole fruit and you have to avoid fruit juices. Inclusion of salads, inclusion of green leafy vegetables daily, and the red meat should be taken in minimum quantity. The salt and the sugar should be taken in moderation. Your diet should contain all the 5 food groups. This is the number of the servings per day. The number of servings varies depending upon the food item. Like for starchy vegetables and grains, you have to include 5 servings. For fruit you have to include 2 servings. 1 serving of fruit is 100 gram, so you can include 2 fruits, like 200 grams of any 2 fruit. Seeds and nuts 1 to 2 servings. Vegetables 4 servings. 1 serving of vegetable is 100 grams, so 4 servings of vegetables should be included. This is the example of a balanced diet. It is the thali. We Indians have been using the thalis since ages. In the traditional Indian thali, each bowl in the thali has a small size. It includes 2 to 3 varieties of dal, sabzi, some rice or roti or both. The thali also contain a small amount of sweet dish or a fruit. This thali makes a complete meal including all essential nutrients in the right proportions. But the thalis which are served in the restaurants today have much larger portion size. So please cook your own food with natural and traditional ingredients and spices, because these are the foods that your genes are used to. And please try to include local and seasonal vegetables and fruits at the right time for good health and immunity. And for those who are unable to figure out, or those who have a doubt about what about my carbs, what about my proteins and fats, how should I go distributing them, then the thali is the best option for them, because it gives you the right amount of nutrients in the right proportions. Don't watch TV or gadgets while having your food. Eat in silence, chew slowly, relish every bite. Eat slowly, because if you eat too quickly, you will end up stuffing yourself. So take your time and have your food. Try to include locally available ingredients and seasonal foods, because they don't cost you much, they are easily accessible and nourish you and uplift us all. So please consume local native fruits. Eat healthy and have a balanced diet daily for good health and immunity. And if you like my video, please give a like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you are notified whenever I post a new video.